Hi students, so this is our third video in this playlist, including the introductory one. So from the next video onwards, I am going to talk about an important topic in Python is called comprehension. So and also the related topics also that are related to comprehension. So yeah, so this is my roadmap. I have divided the path into some subpaths and I think this will help you also to stay tuned. So from in video 4, I mean this is my third video. So from next video, in the next video I will talk about 3 topics: sequence, iterator, and iterable. So what is sequence? Difference between iterator and iterable. Then in video 5 I will talk about what is comprehension. Actually the topics sequence, iterator, iterable, differences between them, these are actually prerequisites before we dive into comprehension. So in video 5 I will talk about what is comprehension, different types of comprehension. Then in video 6 I will talk about list comprehension and set comprehension. I will show you some code snippets. So actually there are 4 types of comprehension: list, set, dictionary, and generator. So code snippets will also help you to relate what is happening inside and to relate with the theories, theory concepts more easily. So yeah, in video 7 I will talk about dictionary comprehension. I will show you some codes where we can apply dictionary comprehension. Then video 8 I will talk about, so before generator comprehension I will talk about what is generator. So how can we generate generator? There are 2 ways, using generator function and generator expression. So I will talk about them, and then I will talk about advantages of generator over a list. I will show you some codes also. Then in video 9 I will talk about advantages and disadvantages of comprehension. Then in the next video I will talk about, in the next 2 videos I will talk about 2 modules, get size of and time it. Actually we will compare between list and generator, and our parameters will be efficiency, I mean memory efficiency and time efficiency. So yeah, this is the path that we will follow from next video. So stay tuned, keep learning. Bye.